So this is how all my packages end up when I get something new. Huh, kitty cat? Listen up, folks, it's Friday, so you know what Friday means today? Kitty cat, really? So we're trying to get my tripod already. Kitty, you gotta stop your shit. Stop, yo, shit. It's Friday. 2 parts in 1 video. First of all, we have big boy box. Big boy box. This is a long time coming. I've mentioned this before. I swear I've mentioned this before. Move my tripod a little bit. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm almost positive I mentioned this before. What is it? Oh, this cat, dude. He's trying to drink out of the sink right now. What is in this box? Something I've wanted for a long time. Okay, I don't buy new gear that often. This is one of those times I had to buy new gear because it was for a steal, and you'll see what it is right now. I'm gonna make this very short and very sweet so we can get to the main beans of this video, but I need to add this in here because I had to. This is my unboxing knife. I'm not gonna show myself slicing open the box because I didn't take any stickers off my address and shit on it, so this will suffice for now. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Ooh, that's satisfying. Let me give you a hint on what we got here. I'll show you the top of the box now that I got it open. You ready? You ready for this? Oh, buddy, if that doesn't give it away, I don't know. You should know. If you ever seen that, knowing my love for Star Wars, you should know what this is already. One other thing I want to get out of the way, I'm not going to say anything else. You already know why I'm recording in the kitchen. You should know why I'm recording in the kitchen. But here's this. Y'all know I'm a fucking Star Wars fan. If you don't know, and you're new here, congratulations, I'm a Star Wars fan. Oh, buddy. Let's get ready for this. Right into this. Oh, buddy, okay. I can actually show the box now. So you open the box, okay, let me see. My kitchen's kind of a mess, but it's okay. So you open the box. Boom. What we got? Instructions, okay. A lot of instructions. Wow, different language instructions. Okay. 3 different sets. R1. Ooh. There's this big piece and this stuff. #1 in the world for resistance lens. Okay. And here is the actual bag. I'm hyped. Oh, buddy. let me just fix this camera real quick so you guys can see this. It doesn't pick it up in the camera, but it's so fucking flaky. Oh, ooh. It looks so much better in person. So much better in person. It's super light. Now, one thing that's supposed to come with that I don't see in here is the smoked visor. Comes with the clear, well, nope, that's not smoked visor. No, I don't see one in here. I guess I'm about to go pick one up. Sadly, trip to the dealer tomorrow. If you can't tell, this is the HJC R1 Darth Vader edition helmet. I've been wanting this for too long. Too long. Normal price on this helmet, $560. I didn't pay $560. It's on closeout for $299. $299 for an R1. We got a cat in a box. Look at him. $299 for R1. Couldn't pass it up. But enough about the helmet. You're here because you want to see how it's set up. You want to see how it's set up double motovlogs, the easiest way. And I'm going to show you. In fact, I'm going to show you on this. And this is the reason how I waited to make this video, because I was waiting for this. Okay, look at now that I took the camera off the tripod, you can see the flake in the helmet. Look at this. Looks ridiculous, dude. I love it. I love it. Look at this. I just had to show one more angle of it. I had to. You put the little lens down. Whoop. Beautiful. It's gonna look so much better when I actually get the smoke lens, the smoke fucking visor on it. I'm hyped. I'm super hyped. And before we even get started with this install, I'm gonna tell you guys this. I'm doing this in my room, on my bed, because I don't have a helmet holder, and I do not want to lay this helmet over on its side and scratch it up on the countertop. Because when I was laying it over earlier, it was laying on the little helmet bag. Cat just tipped over in a box. It was laying on the helmet bag, but I don't want to risk it rolling off of it. And I just did that real quick because I was holding on to it. So, the remainder of this video is going to be on my bed. Fair warning. Now what you're going to need for this dual Motovlog setup, of course, GoPro. You need GoPro. Obviously you need the mic adapter. Some way to mount your GoPro to your helmet. A microphone for you to speak into. Another microphone to pick up your speaker volume for your Sena. And a splitter. A Y splitter. This is this key. These two are the key for the dual setup. Alright, now once you figure out what side you actually want to have your microphones on, speak, and for your speaker, you go ahead and, easy, pull the cheek pad back, of course, put your mic, okay, this will, depending on your helmet and your cheek pad setup, it'll determine where your speaking mic goes. We have a guest appearance by Kitty Cat trying to take it again. So I'm gonna put mine on this side since I have my Sena mic on this side. This is gonna go in here. Literally just, Kitty Cat, stop trying to get my stuff. Literally just like this, stuffed in there just like that. As close to the edge as you could possibly get. That's what you want. You want it to be really, really close to the edge. So you can actually pick up your voice and not be blocked by your cheek pad, you know? So I'm gonna put it like right there. And then when I'm ready, I'll just button everything back up. It's gonna be, obviously you're not gonna feel it that much as long as your mic isn't super huge. Like these aren't very big mics. And if you want, you could even take the little casing off the mic just so you don't have this and you only have the microphone itself that's underneath the plastic stuff. The plastic doesn't bother me right now. I might eventually take the plastics off because they can get annoying sometimes. But you'll basically mount your speaking mic right here. Obviously I got my wind muff. And your other mic, this is the one that's important. Your other mic, you want, let me scoot closer. You want it to be literally like right on your speaker. Like, well, not right on it, but like my speaker is, I don't know if you can even see it, like right here where my finger's at. It's kind of dark in there. My speaker is right here, right under this button. You see this red button? My speaker's right here. So what I'm gonna do is just take it, if I can get the end of it. Take the mic and just put it like right on it. There's like a little, for me, there's like a little gap right here in my helmet at least. Like right where the strap goes, there's a little gap, a little hole for me. So I'm gonna put my microphone right here, right next to the speaker, so it picks up the volume. And you gotta figure out what you're gonna do with the cable. It's gonna vary depending on what side your microphone jack's on. Like mine's gonna be on the left side, so I'm gonna have to do it like this. So let me just do this first. Okay, so here's what I did with mine. So my helmet, this new helmet I just got, has a little hole where the strap goes through in the cheek pad. So I just ran the wire through there. Wire's gonna come out right there. And for the other wire, for this microphone, the one I'm actually talking to, I'm gonna do the same thing. And I'm just gonna stuff the wires behind the cheek pad right here. And then just close it. And that'll be it. After that, how you get everything back together, nice and solid. Plug in your mics to your adapters. And that is that. Like, that's pretty much it. Got a meowing cat in the background because I'm talking. You guys know my cat likes to meow when I talk. Huh, Kitty? Where you going? He said no. So he says no, Mo, no. But that's it. It's a little bit of work. Depending on how you manage your cables, it's gonna vary by your helmet, your GoPro setup, all that good stuff. But one mic will pick up your speaker audio, the other mic will pick up your voice, and you'll be set. That's all it really takes. But again, like I said, your setup might be a little different than mine. Every helmet's gonna be different unless you by any chance have an ARFA 90. And you could literally run your cables the same way I ran mine. And I have this little chin mount that I got from Amazon, a couple bucks. I just keep the wire stuff behind the GoPro itself. That's it. Simple, easy. easiest way you could possibly set up for motovlogs if you don't have a Sena backpack on the GoPro like I do. Like this, the little Sena backpack. But the thing is, I'm not even gonna use this anymore, so if anyone wants to buy this, hit me up, slide in my DMs, Instagram down below in the description. If you have any other questions, want to know where I got anything, let me know down below. And now I'm good at answering. I'll answer your questions. Let me know what you got. But I'm gonna utilize this whole new setup next weekend when we go riding. Cat running back and forth again. So be on the lookout for that video. You'll see this thing in action, this full setup in action. Hopefully by then I'll actually have a smoke visor because this helmet for some reason didn't come with one. Made me a little sad. But until then, see you guys next time.